In this video, I'm about to show you how to add Notion calendar to Notion. So pretty easy to add Notion calendar or to Notion. We're going to be simply clicking on this option. Currently, I have already added it, so it is showing access calendar and context. So these steps are pretty simple. By the way, you can head over to the link in the description below to access Notion and extended benefits and rewards. Once you click onto this, you can see we got this section over here. And now in here we are going to be needing to provide it access. Make sure to do that. Select your Google account where you want to provide it access. We have our Epic Games account that we can connect and click on continue. Once we do that, it is going to be um, requiring the access. You need to simply check all these fields, and once you do, you will be good to go with the access. So that's how easy it is. I hope this helps, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, stay tuned, and see you in the next video.